Hey everyone, let's talk about Farpro Yuanda Valve's recent involvement in boosting sustainable water solutions in Central Asia. On May 9, 2025, Xing, the international project manager of Farpro Yuanda Valve, attended the International Summit on Enhancing Sustainable Drinking Water and Water Supply Services in Uzbekistan. As a global leader in industrial valve manufacturing, the company brought its technical know-how and project experience to the table, collaborating with Uzbek authorities, international financial institutions, and industry players to work on sustainable water solutions. A major highlight from the summit was the announcement of a $7 billion investment. This joint effort by the World Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank (AIIB), and Asian Development Bank (ADB) aims to modernize Uzbekistan's water infrastructure. The plan includes building 10 advanced pumping stations and upgrading various systems such as water diversion, drinking water purification, agricultural irrigation networks, and wastewater treatment plants. This project is set to benefit 9 million residents, improving water distribution efficiency, ensuring safe drinking water, and modernizing agricultural irrigation, which are crucial for economic growth and ecological sustainability. Farpro Yuanda Valve showed off its cutting-edge valve solutions at the summit. These solutions are designed for large-scale pumping stations, long-distance water transmission pipelines, and water treatment facilities. Featured products included smart control valves, corrosion-resistant butterfly valves, and high-pressure gate valves, all made to meet Uzbekistan's tough operational needs. Xing emphasized that Uzbekistan's water projects require valves with excellent pressure resistance, sealing precision, and long-term durability. With decades of experience serving over 30 countries along the Belt and Road Initiative, Farpro Yuanda Valve is dedicated to providing innovative, customized solutions to support the water infrastructure development in Central Asia. The summit was a great platform for the company to strengthen its relationships with Uzbek clients, government agencies, and international investors. Farpro Yuanda Valve plans to form collaborative partnerships with local contractors and financial institutions to speed up the implementation of pumping stations, pipeline networks, and smart water management systems. Looking ahead, the company will keep refining its product range to help Uzbekistan and the wider Central Asian region achieve water security, energy efficiency, and environmental resilience. For those who don't know, Farpro Yuanda Valve is a well-known industrial valve manufacturer globally. It serves sectors like water conservancy, energy, chemical, and municipal engineering. With ISO 9001 certification and over 50 international patents, it operates in more than 100 countries. Guided by the vision of innovation-driven, green manufacturing, it provides safe, efficient, and sustainable fluid control solutions worldwide.